Tired of financial struggles? Do you dream of a life where abundance flows freely? The key to unlocking your financial potential lies not in external circumstances, but within the realm of your mind. You possess an innate power, a creative force capable of shaping your financial reality. Assume a world where money flows effortlessly, where financial worries dissolve, and where prosperity becomes your natural state. This isn't a distant dream, but a tangible possibility available to all. You hold within you a power to shape your financial world. The secret lies in understanding that your consciousness is the sculptor of your experience. What you focus on, what you believe, and how you feel all contribute to the fabric of your life. By mastering your thoughts, you gain dominion over your financial circumstances. Let go of the notion that external factors dictate your financial destiny. Instead, recognize that you are the architect of your wealth. Your imagination is your blueprint, designing the financial future you desire. Visualize yourself surrounded by abundance. Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with financial freedom. Allow yourself to bask in the sensations of prosperity. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for manifestation, drawing financial abundance closer to fruition. The universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you cultivate positivity, gratitude, and faith in your financial well-being, the external world responds in kind. Challenges are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth and variation. Think about them as stepping stones towards your ultimate financial goals. Persistence is paramount. Keep your focus unwavering even when faced with financial setbacks. Your desires for financial abundance are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. With consistent nurturing, they will inevitably blossom into reality. Trust in the intelligence of the universe. It knows your path to prosperity better than you do. Surrender to the flow and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. You are a divine being capable of creating miracles. Unleash your inner power and watch as financial abundance becomes your reality. The world of prosperity awaits your arrival. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth and success while others struggle endlessly? The secret lies not in hard work alone, but in understanding and applying the power of the mind. What if you could tap into this power right now and begin to manifest prosperity instantly? It's not a fantasy, it's a reality that's within your reach. To begin with, let's acknowledge the fact that your thoughts shape your reality. This is not just a philosophical statement, it's a truth that has been observed throughout history and across various disciplines. The first step towards instant prosperity is to recognize that everything you see around you began as a thought. Your current financial situation, your career, your relationships, all of these were shaped by your previous thoughts and beliefs. The good news is you can change your reality by changing your thoughts, but it's not enough to simply think about what you want. You must feel it deeply and with certainty. The feeling is the key. When you combine a clear, focused thought with a powerful feeling, you create a vibrational match to what you desire, and the universe responds by aligning circumstances, people, and opportunities that bring your desire into reality. So how do you generate this feeling of prosperity? One powerful technique is to engage in a simple practice each day where you assume in vivid detail that you are already prosperous. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. As you breathe, let go of any tension in your body. Now picture yourself living a life of abundance. See yourself enjoying the luxuries and comforts that wealth brings. Feel the joy and security that comes from financial freedom. Hear the congratulations from others on your success. The more detailed and vivid your imagination, the stronger the feeling of prosperity will be. But visualization alone isn't enough. You must also speak as if you are already living this prosperous life. Your words have power. They are a direct reflection of your thoughts and beliefs. If you constantly speak about lack and limitation, that's what you will continue to experience. Instead, speak words of abundance. When you talk about money, talk as if it's something that flows easily and abundantly into your life. Replace phrases like "I can't afford it" with "money is on its way to me." By changing the way you speak, you are reinforcing the belief that prosperity is already yours, and this belief will begin to shape your reality. Another technique is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful state of being that attracts more of what you are thankful for. Start each day by listing at least 3 things you are grateful for. These can be simple things, like a roof over your head, food on your table, or the love of your family. The more you focus on what you already have, the more you will attract. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant, and this shift in focus is essential for manifesting prosperity. It's also important to let go of any limiting beliefs you may have about money. Many people are conditioned to believe that money is the root of all evil, or that wealth is only for the lucky few. These beliefs are not only false, but they also block the flow of abundance into your life. To attract prosperity, you must replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Affirm to yourself daily, "I deserve to be wealthy." Money is good and I use it to do good in the world. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. The more you affirm these positive beliefs, the more they will become your reality. Now, let's address the issue of action. While thoughts and feelings are crucial, they must be accompanied by inspired action. This doesn't mean working harder or longer hours. Instead, it means taking actions that are aligned with your new mindset of abundance. These actions could be as simple as reorganizing your finances, seeking out new opportunities, or networking with people who can help you achieve your goals. The key is to act from a place of confidence and expectation, knowing that your actions are leading you toward greater prosperity. As you continue to practice these techniques, you will begin to notice changes in your life. You might find that opportunities for wealth start to appear seemingly out of nowhere. You may receive unexpected financial gifts or discover new ways to increase your income. These are signs that your thoughts, feelings, and actions are aligning with prosperity and that you are beginning to manifest the wealth you desire. But perhaps the most important step in this process is to trust. Trust that the universe is abundant and that there is more than enough for everyone. Trust that you are worthy of prosperity and that it is your natural state. Trust that, as you continue to focus on abundance, the universe will respond by bringing you more of it. This trust is the foundation upon which all manifestation is built. Your mind is a potent creator. It's not just for dreaming, it's for designing your reality. Every thought you have is a blueprint for your life. Your brain doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's assumed. When you vividly assume financial abundance, your body responds as if it's already happening. This physical reaction sends powerful signals to the universe, attracting circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with your vision of wealth. The secret to rapid manifestation lies in the quality of your imagination. It's not just about seeing the numbers in your bank account, it's about feeling the emotions of financial freedom. Assume the joy of generous giving, the freedom to pursue your passions, and the security of knowing your needs are met effortlessly. To accelerate this process, practice what is often called assumption. Assume you are already wealthy. Live as if it's true. Walk, talk, and feel as if you already possess the financial freedom you desire. This might feel strange at first, but it's a game changer. By assuming the end result, you're aligning your energy with the desired outcome, making it easier for the universe to deliver. The key to rapid financial manifestation is to combine vivid imagination with deep-seated belief. Feel the emotions of financial abundance as if it's happening now. Assume it's true and live accordingly. Maintain a positive mindset and trust in the universe's timing. By following these principles, you're setting the stage for extraordinary variations in your life. As you practice these techniques and trust in the process, you will not only manifest prosperity instantly, but you will also begin to live a life of abundance in all areas, financially, emotionally, and spiritually. Prosperity is not just about having money, it's about living a rich and fulfilling life. It's about having the freedom to do what you love, the resources to help others, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing that you are always supported by the universe. In closing, prosperity is your birthright. You have the power to create the life of your dreams by changing your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Use the techniques shared here to tap into that power and start manifesting the wealth and abundance that you deserve. The universe is ready and waiting to deliver your desires. Are you ready to receive them? If you found value in this message, I encourage you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your engagement helps to spread these teachings to others who are seeking to change their lives. Make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. I would love to hear about your experiences with these techniques, so please share your stories in the comments below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this message, don't hesitate to share it with them. Let's continue to grow and prosper together.